We're going to give our new wood chipper a test run today. I let it put oil in it, fired it up and let it run for 5 minutes. I'm going to put a bagger right here and let's get chopping. Ralph Man's Adventures. This is our first run. I've got my hearing protection and my sunglasses for protection, and we're going to give it a try. Got about a half a bag filled up. So let's get it up. We emptied our bag, put it in a feed bag. That's some pretty good looking stuff right there. Oh, I'll send that one back through. Still have that to go. We ended up with 3 bags of wood mulch, and it only took us about I'd say I approve. Till next time, God bless.